What is the preliminary state of non-attachment? To create desirelessness, attractionlessness, temptationlessness from Vishaya, the objects. How? You look at the object, they are not permanent. Possessing the object is painful. To maintain is difficult. It brings more misery into life. Why should I have this? It brings misery into life. The Guru and disciple went on pilgrimage. The Guru and disciple went on pilgrimage. The Guru said, we should not carry anything. Just relying on God, we'll go. Whatever God gives, we should accept it. The disciple thought, maybe at some time some money will be needed. He kept few quarters with him. Some coins. Okay. While walking, they came to a river and they had to cross. It was evening time. The boatman said, pay money, then I will take you. The Guru said, there is no money. You take us, you don't take us. The boatman was sitting on the boat and waiting. Maybe sometimes they will tell, okay, we have money, because it is getting evening. The boatman said, look, if you don't come, this side there is forest, there are tigers. The Guru said, we have no money. If you take us, all right. If you don't take, all right. Now, the disciple got scared. Scared of what? Tiger. Now he thought, I have some coins, I can give to the boatman and he will take us. So he whispered in the ear of the boatman, don't worry, don't ask, I'll pay you later on. Okay? So then the boatman said, okay, you come. Now Guru disciple sat down and at the end, disciple gave the money. Then both came out. The Guru knew that he has paid money. Then the disciple said, if we would not have money, what would have happened? The tiger would have eaten us. He said, the money made you weak. The money made you weak. You could not believe in God and God's omnipotence. You could not trust in God, God's love and compassion. Because of money, you had fear. If you would not have money, even if we have spent whole night, it would have been night of prayer, night of vigilance. Money made you weak. And because of your money also, I became weak. Because of your money, I became also weak. Vishaya Vitrusna. The first step of Vairagya is Vishaya Vitrusna,